Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best cymbal set for beginners and intermediate drummers, the Meinl Cymbals HCS Cymbal Set Box Pack. If you're looking for a high-quality starter pack that won't let you down, this set is definitely worth your attention. Right out of the gate, the Meinl HCS cymbals are a major upgrade from those flimsy, stock cymbals that come with most beginner drum kits. These cymbals are crafted from a durable MS63 brass alloy and are made in Germany, ensuring you get a clean, bright, and crisp tone every time you hit them. Unlike cheap cymbals that dent or bend easily, these have substantial thickness and a well-formed surface with grooves and hammer marks that give them a defined sound without any clangy or piercing overtones. This box pack includes everything you need to get started: a pair of 13-inch hi-hats, a 14-inch crash cymbal, plus a free 10-inch splash cymbal. On top of that, Meinl throws in a pair of 5A hickory drumsticks and access to online drum lessons taught by renowned educator and Meinl artist Mike Johnston. It's a complete package designed not just to sound great but also to help you improve your skills quickly. One of the standout features of this set is its versatility. Whether you're playing rock, pop, jazz, or blues, these cymbals can handle it all with their bright and musical feel. The traditional finish gives the cymbals a shimmering look under stage lights, making your drum kit visually appealing as well. Meinl's experience since 1951 shines through in the craftsmanship of the HCS line. Even though these cymbals are entry-level, they closely resemble the sound and build quality of higher-end models. This makes them a favorite choice for drummers who want quality without breaking the bank. In terms of size, the 13 inches hi-hats offer a crisp chick sound that's responsive to your playing dynamics, while the 14 inches crash delivers a quick, explosive accent perfect for fills and transitions. The included 10 inches splash adds a fun, quick burst of sound, allowing you to experiment with different effects. To sum it up, the Meinl HCS Cymbal Set Box Pack is a fantastic choice for drummers looking for durable, great-sounding cymbals with a professional feel at a beginner-friendly price. It combines quality, aesthetics, and extras like drumsticks and lessons into one unbeatable package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're thinking about upgrading your cymbals or just starting out, this Meinl HCS set is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.